Manipur Sangai Festival 2018 gi oina ngasi numit marini suba numit asida Tom TV yengbiriba khwai khibikpo adom gi host Daina Pangsatabam amadi Arunbala kurumzari ngasi ekhoina leijari ba mafam asi Sangai Festival gi venue ama oriba lambo khonang khongdane akhoi ngasi manung de sanglaga kari kari leibage habado khoi mam tang yengrasi ka achumani akhoi ngasi numit marini suba sida khoi namuk akhoi mamang da su day 2 da mafam asida laksakhrabani adu oinamak ngasi numit marini suba sida somuk kari kari fivam se karmak mai toribano haibadu mayam punamuk yengminarurasi entrance gate tagi manung changsil lakle gari manung dani koina hujik tongjari si ngasi gi day 4 gi oina khoi gi team da lakchari si ai gi co host oina khoi gi Arunbala duga cameraman da laijari si khoi Naresh amadi Sadat Chandrani so khoi day 2 da lakhiba numitu dadi khoi gi crowd se duki matik uba phangkhide dubu ngasi day 4 dadi khoina uzaba matam da mi se dum on the way hai tare lambi dagi hauna mayam ama lagu uzare kari haibini nge Arunbala
ngasi khoina laksabasida khoi ani suba numitadi asuk yamna mi tilambaje udedana ado ngasi je yamna manung desu phajaram gadaba male ado khoi sangaga manung numini ni subada laigibedu ngasi jiga kari khenak bai laibage ado khoi mam sanga kanda amu gengasi ko
Arunbala koi husik Manipur Trade and Expo Center lamboi khongnang khongi manung makta da leire complex manung sida chang dore aduna koi already excited re kari phawi bage
khoi husik amna manung je kai lege ka am yengni mom phawdra adam tang sangai yeng rasira
okay viewers let's check inside what's going on
Haji khoina leijari ba mafam se Sangai Festival gi venue amore ba lambo khana khongtene ado se ake mogi pot mayam am su yoli ado khoi haji khoi gi owner khoi dukan ma pusi ga khoi unasake ahamda your good name please
yeah Amar yeah.
Okay, is this your first visit in Manipur?
No, I visit before also.
Okay, and do you find any difference between this year and last year?
It's same thing, but I love Manipur. That's why we used to come every year. Now almost 5 years we come here.
Okay, thank you. What are you selling here this year?
This year we have hairbands, jute bag, made, like handmade from Thailand, and some hairband also is a handmade, unbreakable. We have silver also with Swarovski stones. Yeah.
Can I know any price about this from?
This starting price we have 50 rupees, but this hairbands we selling 100 each. Yeah. And silver we have like starting 1500.
And about big?
Yeah, these jute bags we starting 1500, but we give some discount also.
Okay, thank you. Haji koi kena kona pa mayam se mamang sahi da sulai hai resi je ado mamang duga da koi gi haji lai ri basiga kasu kena ba thoi jok pa lai te hai ado posi jo dum yam hong na phang biri lupa yang khai da gi horaga sam yang khai bok da dum lai biri hai ri festival gi mari suba numit da khoi angang macha khara yengba lai school satra khara silai moi je kai school dai no kamai to no do khoi hakta hangse gi ko hamda song ming haro
Tuhen. Yuhen ba. Munchiba.
Musiba
Berlin.
Berlin
Singkhaingan ba.
Singkhaingan ba
Yang ba.
yang ba
Tyson.
dari
Tyson.
Tyson
Sanamatum.
sanamato mo kai school dai no
Parimum.
oh kai lai bano parimum sa
Nangjingda.
noi class sama la bra
Manade. 345.
oh ado kano asing asi sangai festival yang laku je kari phauge kamai toge
Nungai. Nungai.
nongai ya ado kai ke uge ba sumnoi na kai khena kamai to bano hani yengra ba sangai festival ja yeng dri ba yeng ta ba sa hangasi ko do dia ado na kai phauge ya bunga
Nungai.
nongai ya happy sangai
Festival.
Is this your first time coming to Manipur?
Yeah, it's the first time.
What are your experiences? How do you feel on the fourth day?
It's for the people are nice. They are really coming to shop here, and I do like. I'm sure it's going to be very nice. Yeah, when with the back with Delhi, we are very happy when we go for this place after the fair.
What's your sale on the fourth day?
I'm selling pashminas, all pashminas here, and people love this stuff. They are loving for the colors. You know, they're vibrant people. They're really love to take the beautiful stuff from us.
Is the sale going on smooth?
Yeah, it's okay. It's nice.
And
It's
I
nice.
would love to see the materials. I mean, like in your stall. I would just love to see them. Basically, are they all shawls? What
Yeah.
other items do you have?
Scarves, shawls, and jackets. We make some jackets over there. You can see we have display over there. The red one over there.
What about the white one?
White one is we call it benjo. It's shawl cum jacket, both. This is a fine pashmina stole with the zari work. Zari means gold, right? The price is for this scarf 2,500. But this one,
The one with the flower prints. The one with the flower prints. My colleague would love to wear it and then show to the viewers. Ma'am Yang view, may I know the price? Okay. Arunbala na iliba Kashmiri shawl si magi amount si rupees 3,500 ni, and another one please. Well, what's the most expensive shawl you have in your stall? The most expensive one.
I'll show you. This is on pashmina. This is for 5,500.
Okay, so na 5,500 ni my printing si akoigi yamna pick na chat pa hai gadra ko. PC am pai but original oi banina mamandi dum wange. My quality the base tau banina. Okay, well I will love to try this one. Ay mo yenga ke ko.
how much for this
That is the most satisfying.
Wow, 75,000. Oh my god.
Wow.
I know si pai ba shawl sa 75,000 ni ko Arunbala. Oh my god. Okay, ay ilagay yenga ke. May tay ki ku inda ilagay se. May tay ku inda ilaga kamay tau ge na ko. 75,000 ni. PC in ba yam pai. Yam pa na di ui ko.
The base is pashmina, pure pashmina, right? We call it kalamkari. Nowadays it's very famous. It's in fashion.
So to make this one single piece, how long does it take?
It's like 3 months.
3 months.
oh
Okay.
handmade
Arunbala hai biu mayam da khoi gi shawl si sabada kyam kui ge hai bisi ko.
zik soul se kano hybrid se kano 3 months ko masangi ye se khuna sabne aduna 75 zik 75,000 75 da
takes around 3 months.
3 months. Okay.
Well, have a good sale. Enjoy Sangai Festival.
May I know your good name, please?
My name Mohammed Basim.
Okay. Thank you. Then is this your first visit in Manipur?
Yes, I'm coming first time here Manipur.
How you feel in Manipur?
Manipur is good, beautiful before. Nice thing also. And Manipur culture also good. Before I'm coming first time, never I'm next time also coming.
And then what are you selling here?
Little before yesterday I'm display here. Before yesterday I'm display here. I saw before people something purchasing little is good. Maybe after 6 and 7 day more. And my hope you maybe it's good business something.
It is for decoration or what?
Yes, there's something
What
also metal of this one, some elephant, horse, lion, some crow, and the brass from some flower base, the highs and house the decoration product, and this all handmade of jerry work of the pearls, some glass, It's all uncommon product.
Sada da sida lai ba khoi gi achauba flower pot se 35,000 ne hai ri ko. Se pear da. Okay, pear ama pear khoi ani da hai tare pear ama aduna flower pot ani da 35,000 ne hai bi ri. So the materials, what is it made up of?
This is pure brass. Brass, yes.
Brass na saba. And what about the prints?
This is work of yellows, work of the golden one, the yellows work, and the black, the work, the handcrafting, all this black, the handcraft.
Handcraft oi bani na maman se am wang mali karon bla. Okay, thank you so much for joining us. Have a good sale and enjoy Sangai Festival.
Song gi ming ga leifam gam ta.
I mean, Santos ko kwa katel li.
Okay, song.
Ay mina sanjarani kawadegi.
Ada ngasi Sangai Festival yeng golak buse. Sina han balak bibra han mamang chahi da tau gi bada zu yeng bi gara bra.
Mamang ki da jun li.
Mamang se ga handa ka je khena ba kai le.
Mamang handak ti stall je mamang chi na khar yam ba mal. Ana na khar handa ba mal.
Handa ra ise kai dei ni haina dikhan bi ge.
Adu ti reason di khang de mi hau bu de ngai do lak ta ba khar yor mo sia ya do khang.
Okay, ngasi gi oina mainly kari kari yeng biru rage.
Chang pa da ngai.
Changak pa da ngai. Okay, dadi yeng biru ro mafam ngai ngai ba sing se ko. Thank you.
Thank you. Your good name, please.
Helena
Helena, from where?
from Bangkok.
Is this your first visit in Manipur?
No, this is the fourth time.
What time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you feel any difference between last year and this year?
Yeah, I find last year was more better.
Oh, so what the difference?
I don't know, the crowd. Last year the crowd was good and even the entertainment outside, it was very happening. But this year, I don't know.
Although Haiji kano sarat Haiji na hamuk sahi mari sure aure Sangai festival je. Although handa kisina krami amde lagte hai. I think this is beginning. It's only for this. So,
Hopefully. We're expecting more.
masi clip oina season anam daina. Sibu kai oina season anam no sia 300 nei. What?
What is this?
Oh, okay. This is for here well.
Maroi na Bangkok ki stall manung sa ina uzari si khumuk uzare, a pair of lovely shiny shoes. Aduga koi gi mini wardrobe sai ga da makeup so hapa ya ga da ba ure. We have butterflies ki oiba koi nupi na yam pam ga da ba hai dare ko. Set se like zare. And sisu butterfly festival lai re ko. Okay. Koi gi stall gi owners da mo hang zage. Yes, miss, may I know your good name? Sophie. You are from Bangkok? Yes. Okay. Bangkok tagi ni. Ado koi gi khumuk se maman kya no hai ba mo hang zage. Well, I would love to know the price of the shoes. This
It was 3,000, but we make it clear in stock.
okay.
Stock clearance.
3,000 piram ba khumuk ki pair se koi gi discount da lupa chonga khatang da phang handori. Yam phasai ko. Arun la pam dra. Koi viewers as utsi. Okay. Sidi pam dra. Can I try on my head? Okay. I'm the happy roga. ID si upaga.
Wow.
Okay. Nang sumob sa lo. Okay. Well, what's the price of this? Okay. So the lari basusu I know uzi thesari basusu 500 ni. Ado maroi na discount pi bahai tare 500 each. Ado Bangkok ki koi gi stores dagi koi apamba pot yaubiragadi viewers na lakpiraga koi gi lebiro haiba wafam se thamsage. And let's move to the next stall. Thank you.
So may I know your good name, please?
My name is Simte.
Sinte. From where?
Actually, I'm from Shillong.
Shillong.
Yeah.
Is this your first visit in Manipur Sangai Festival?
No, this is my second time.
Second time. Do you find any difference between last year and this year?
This year, I think the public is a little bit less.
Okay. And we have organized a trip in in different parts of Manipur. That's why. Okay. Then can I know? Can I see some what I selling here?
We have different kinds of shoes here, and
yes.
this one it costs around 1,200, and these are all sale. Okay, it's 300, and if they buy 2 pair, it will be 500.
Home set chahum pi hai ri sara do ani lauraga di 500 ta discount tawni hai ri. Mama is am kana zo kana po sai kan bi ri da Sangai festival yeng wala ku je kai de ma me ngai lai phang ga
Ai qua cái thế hay nó không nghe bị đấy nè bà.
ai ming El Prabhavati
Sangai Festival yengba lakpase adum sahi khuding adum tawidana ado sahi khuding adum yengbibra
yenge
ado handak sahi ga mamang sahi ga khenabadi kai kai lebi
ado yamnadi kano yengbadi roidriya ba hauda ngairiya ba ado handak sahi na di khara habadi male habadi ko sum yengbada kano tawe ba pot muta leirba gi kano tawraga su ko wari watai da su ngai ba adi pot su yam thina tangbadi oida ba ko ado kana pot mayam amadi yaw ba ado mayam ma kano gi kisan item mayam ma yengaga khang tare
Thank you madam Babong kena Sangai Festival yang lakpira mi minggal ai phangam ta khangjaba yagadra
Kwakaitel hino kongnem bidagini ai maibam kumar sing
ada ha kena Sangai Festival yang lakpira mi je kai leige na lakpira sum yeng doira natraga
koi sum ano ba sai laktore na kari ga phajaba yauge na yenge na lakone do yengba hobda ngairi pot khar su leige tawba koi misese bani lakone
ada haje koi kena Sangai Festival tawise no mi marini sujale ba ko ado na hamung mamang sei da tawba handak sei ga tawisi ga khena ba kari uba phangbi gi
mamang sei da gi handak na khara develop tawbra na khali mamang sei jo adum yengje ya ba handak ti khara store nung don jo khara develop tawe na ai lawje
Okay thank you
Arunbala di sanazu apakpa ma change sore ko na halak pada su sanaze ara khudi ki dum lai re ba ado khamai tau doino khangde ai sanaze fasabram de ngune siju sijale ai di sanaze ani lai re ba kya lai re ge
ado ai hom lai re
okay sida yamna akoi gi joints ki oi ba stall ama thengna jare ko karino hai ba do yemina rasi from which country
From Thailand.
Thailand okay akhoi si laizari base koi Thailand store ni haina haibiri ado karino haibado yengjage koi maroi na koi joints na ba khot paga so koi hepatitis ko may I know your good name
My name is Lal Simte.
so what do you have in your stall
I have all kinds of herbal medicine for all kinds of pains.
okay just pick few of them and explain us like what are they used for
Okay. Actually, this company is the #1 company for in herbal product in Thailand, and this is a award-winning product, and this is it has won all the awards ranging from Prime Minister Award and OTOP, which is a smaller award, which is the starting award in the district, and also a bigger award in the state, and later on then it has won all the Prime Minister Award, which is the biggest export award in Thailand. This product, this is Gold Coast Yellow Oil, and this single medicine will cure from sinus, migraine, allergy, back pain, knee pain, neck pain, joint pain, even arthritis, headache, insect bite, and even toothache, even abdominal pain, and even burn, injury, everything with one single medicine. And the best part is it is 100% herbal, and there is no any side effect. Yeah.
Arunbala am interesting oi ko hari ba hidak ama well I would love to know the price of this gold crush
Actually, the company have about four sizes. As I have told
I would
you.
love to see them please show us
Okay. As I have told you, the company have only one single product, but it has in 4 different sizes. But I did not bring the 4 different sizes. But here, just to promote in the market, I just bring 2 sizes. Yeah, this is the smaller sizes. This costs 200 rupees. Yeah, and the price in Thailand is also 100 baht. Actually, at the current rate of exchange, it is supposed to be about 240 rupees. So I'm selling cheaper than Thailand market, as in the retail market, okay? Yeah, and similarly, this is here the printed price 252 baht, and at the current rate of exchange it's about 560 rupees. But here I'm selling only for 500 rupees. Yeah, so if you buy a single piece, you can buy here cheaper than Thailand.
so this is 500 only
Yeah.
akoi aina pari ba akoi gold crush ki akoi gi lei bida ga si lupa chonga ni haina stall ki parna hai bili aduna akoi apamba leiraga di viewers sing na maroi na joint pains tongan ba akoi ya chikpa puk na ba mayam ma hai bili aduna pambi ba taraga di stall si da lakpiraga pod si lebi ba ya gani hai badu mayam haizari thank you so much for joining us
And I also have for hair root report. This is new hair lotion, okay? And it can bring back the hair, new hair. It's still on.
how many months I mean like
Okay. One single bottle is 120 ml, and it is a good enough quantity to make a decision, final decision, whether a person who uses it, whether he should continue or not. So in one bottle, he will be able to have a new hair, so that he can decide whether he is willing to continue or not. So one bottle is enough to make a decision, a clear decision. So he can try a single bottle, which is costing 1,500 rupees. And this product is not available in the market, even in Thailand. And you can find on internet and Amazon, they are selling for $54, which is about 4,000 rupees at the current rate of exchange. You can see in Amazon, okay? And even if you go to Thailand, you will not find this in the market. And this product is sold like those big company product like Amway. You have to be join the member with the downline, then only you can buy as a member.
Koigi hari bedaga sina koigi maroina sam hobang amdaba singini koi sam hobang amgada bai tere. Well, what's the price of this?
The price of this 1,500.
Okay, 1,500 ni koina mi dugi matung in na hai tare koi bottle lama sina sam se hobang amaga na ngame. Otherwise ngamdraga na koi makata ba stage amuk another bottle lama darkar laigani hai na hai biri. Thank you so much for joining us. Taudore. Akoigi Arunbala da koigi laiba koi hidak se sizinaraga koi laiba sigi posi karino haibadu mayam yengminarasi.
Without applying any
Yeah, you don't need to apply any massage oil. And there is no hidden technique. You just put some pressure and pull. And it grabs the muscle together, and this will help give you muscle relaxation when you are tired. Okay, and it can also help sprain muscle and sprain veins and all. Okay. Full body you can massage on your own.
Okay. Then can I know how much for this?
This is 500. We have 3 sizes, and the smaller size and similar looks is 400, and the smallest one is 300. We have 3 sizes.
Oh, si Songa, Madi Jenny, Jahum the Pangi Hari, my jet. Romase Kogi Canone, Gang da Kutsa, the Chico the site and the Masaston, the never see. When I say Koi site and the Kono, the Kutsa, Chico Potosicanta, Koi Bam, Nunkem, the Vida, Masina, the Masasa, Matam, the Dumbrili Pangi and Hariba. Thank you.
Akoi Economa, Solama, 2,500 Hareva, Adusulari, Aduga. Kogi hair bell gumba, clip gumba, masa the flower.
Beda kam tang joge ada sangai khoi Manipur ke hajik laiba society jida sumaina festival sangai festival ne ka an tau bukhot baje sida nungai be phawbra natra nungai ta phawi sine kari kana ba purai kana ba pokti kai mo lagi
masi ai wakanda amang badi khara wali amsi akoi tongjabane hele abdi yam nungai akoi punamak se akoi gi foreign gi kari gi sakang na hawba adagi thingna hawba sida akoi yam nungai adagi akoi ijil naw sing su adum unajaba se sida akoi
yam nungai je kai sai tawdana kai changai festival sin bazina koi gi miram dagi lakpa mayam daga sakhang mai khangna ba amadi koi ichinaw mayam unabasiga khudong chaba mayam phangwasi yam nungai je hai jari thank you madam Sangai festival the security tabi besida kai kera kamai tabi ge kai
section thorang ji akhoi dum chathari ko ayuk pung taruk ta ge akhoi dum stall gi pochai jing pochalali pung 10 bo check toraga dum phajana sangalle ade akhoi stall jing maroina foreigner stall jing akhoi na kan section na kan tawjaba jo ade pung dang pung 8 da lotion ne
ado mamang sei da tawgi baga handak sei da tawba kai khena badi lai
mamang gi si mafam ji makta de yahu de chona kan hapta kang je phung de yahu adu chap chaba kai no dum de laitre
adu targa mamang sei da tawgi ba sangai festival ga handak ka khena ba
khena ba ji ka chu thodok ba lai khena ba lai tabra na de khal
Can I know your good name please?
It's Rose.
Rose. From where?
From Manipur. Manipur.
Rose ka kamai yaw biramino.
Moi gi helper ne ba ko sida mateng pang ni ba.
Okay. Kai dagi no yum le pa.
Ekoi di chekon dai.
Chekon dagi. Si kano sangai ahan bro suna ma yaw ja.
First time.
Sis na Thailand ki ne ba ko. Adu product.
Siloi organic product ne ba ko chemical yaw da ba the sigumba se body lotion le re manam nung si ba ne ba sigumba sina face serum ne ba ko som gi sina hand cream foot cream lo yaw re sida loi organic product.
Kano kesina kano ne hari so sapone so na lotion ne kai haning ba kai
Okay, perfumes yaw bra. Okay, perfumes yaw ri ba ko perfume so kra utsi sidi kai oi doina lotion koi gi face gi oi ba price ke alai ge 500 discount toraga 500 ne ba ko body lotion oi doina hoi organic product ne ba price sida le sida mayam price 500 ko. And si kayo doon.
Sina hand mask ne ba ko khut tay do ba moisturize to nungai.
Perfume si khoi gi maman kya da gina kya ba ho ba lege.
300.
Okay. So the perfume, the price. Which one is for male? Which one is for female?
This one altogether 12, and for male 6 and for women 6.
Okay. Perfume se set oina yolira kamai toino ba.
Set yon de single yon ne ko. Other price is 300 single piece ta.
Pa gi karam no. Okay. Koi try to boya bra manam sa. Okay. Nares come on, nares koi manam sa nung shibran ha pe dieng ke ko. Okay, ako'y naresa try to rin nung si ko. Ako'y nupigi ay ba tangga yang sage. Nung si okay, maru sa ko'y isit kano Thailand dagi po rin kamay to ino store sa. Okay, Thailand gi product ni, scent ni, perfume ni, nupigi nupagi to nga nakaidoga layri. Aduna ko'y ahong mo mamanhay tara just 300 rupees sa yam nung si ba manamaman ni set. Okay, thank you. Maroy na sa iri ba sa Arunbala ko'y jewelry stall naman ni ko. Yam pa zay lang ga ko yam na sparkle or ga karipo no hay ba do ko'y kami na bagitan sa lag excuse me. May I know your good name?
Mimi.
Okay, you're from?
I'm from Manipur.
From?
Yeah.
Adri Manipuri kange ko. Okay. Sige store owner sa kana oy do ina. So Thailand stores lady say kai no khangmi na se mayam ko. I see lots of attractive and sparkling jewelries here. I would love to know the price each.
Our price, yeah, I think this one the set is for 1,000, and these
the one which is on your neck.
So I have layered it, but it's only one set, so it's 1,000.
Okay.
And
so it said the 1,000 ne ko ma'am. Well, what about this?
this one is 3,000.
3,000. And can you tell the materials what are they made up of? I mean,
These are crystals and these are artificial gemstones with stainless steel and rose gold plate.
okay. I would also love to know about the three colors: blue, multi, and the green one.
These are white gold plating with artificial gemstones. Yes, 4,000.
The green one.
Same price, 4,000.
Sida la iba koi blue, multicolor, amadi green sida set sida 3,000 each de haina haibiri ko. Yam phazai yeng bada yam sparkle su oiba, yam attractive su oiba, and I see a baby pink color set ko. What about this?
These are synthetic pink pearls and with the same ones as crystals and stainless steel netting.
Do you have bracelets?
Since I do have.
I would love to see one. Can I try?
Yes.
Arunbala try taro yeng si ko. Okay, yam phazai. What's the price of this?
2,500.
2,500 people khoi sige bracelets si ko khoi gi Thailand source la isi 2,000 yam phazaba yam lovely oiba khoi gi bracelet amani. Thank you.
Ako'y Sangai Festival yeng ba ako'y lesabi masasing to wari sana jage ako'y ka institute ki wari na siba.
Caesar nursing.
Oh, season nursing ki ne ba adam ming
Ay na yumnam rosi ka sham thong dagi.
nam ba songi de.
Singam le long mai ko pu. Bam dil le bam mai.
Sangai Festival yeng wala pi bjenu ngai bro kamai tawge.
Yam ngai.
Handak is na ham bro mamang so ming bra.
Han ba.
Oh, mamang si yeng da ba. Oh, do kan no kai kai lai bi de ge.
Lai ka tang oi na lai.
Sangai Festival to buja. Nungai na kan bra kai kana kan nungai te na kan bra kai kan phau bi ba ge.
Yam ngai.
Nungai ya. Oh, kai gi no nungai ri ba.
Phajaba u.
Kare kai lai.
Lai ka tang lai re duga dream catcher.
Si kaya pi lai no lai ba.
300.
Oh, 300. Ado kano Sangai Festival sumai to buja. Ado nungai na hai bi je kai mo kai gi no ba nungai. Sum yeng mo nungai ba gira kai kana.
Yeng ba nungai ba so re duga mapalang ga haidi relationship se mapan ga khoi ga su dum punjal ga lai re adugi.
Ako'y sida yam attractive oiba stall ama samu uzare. Kai lamdai no have du sumayam khangmi na si. This is stall number 45. Maroi na uri si khoi attractive oiba flowers nga tani ai chang sin jage khoi satra ma su lai ri po lai ra ba. Lai ra kai lai ra ge.
lay cái thằng này
lay đấy ta khởi mà nó lay và lay xem em nó út gì đấy
ôi giời
mà mình hay đó cái gì tay nó
si zo hospital đây nè vui lên mà coi
so ngasi Sangai festival numin mari ni sure kwa ihan han boy doira han da kyoina
hoi Satri
ya
sahan so
ke nupi oi mini na ko lai siam pa mai so huje geng doi ne phasaba yaura di lai doi ne ba ko so lai ri se da lai re mayam da su utsi packing tawri stall owner na yam phasai pull up da lupa kya da lai bi ni
300
we have a very beautiful lady yam phasaba ko akhoi gi okay, I would love to know your name.
My name Ladawan Chinburarat.
And you are from?
Thailand.
Thailand. So, how do you greet the people in Thailand? How do you do it?
Sawadee ka.
Okay. Do you love to know how we do in Manipuri?
I would like to.
Okay. Well, hold this. Kurumzari.
Same.
Okay,
so we do all the same time together.
Okay, go. Okay, let's start it.
Let's start this.
Hold your hand.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
Sawadee ka.
It's nice. So it's the 4th day, and I mean, like, how is your sale going on?
Getting better.
Better.
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been visiting in Imphal the previous year as well? Face the camera. This is your first time in Manipur?
Yeah, it's the first time.
First time. So how do you feel?
I love it. I love people here.
Are you coming next year as well?
Of course. Why not?
Okay.
No reason not coming.
What do you have in your beautiful stall? I would love to see it.
We have been selling this business almost 20 years. So before we export to Europe, America, Europe like France, Italy, Germany, Netherlands, Holland, Switzerland.
Well, what are the materials made up of?
Okay, we have like couple kind of material. This one made from cotton. Yeah. This one made from wood stick we call now. And then this one made from like we call wood sa. This one also. Yeah. And then the other kind is some.
So, do you make this by your own?
No, we have a team making.
So you just sell them.
We just sell them, but we clean.
Let's get inside. We have lovely flowers, flower pots as well. Flower pot mayam ama sulai ko sarad manung sida khoi gi maman se kaya no haibdu khangzage pai bada khoi gi lum mayam na kai no khangde. What is this made up of?
Wood.
Wood. Okay. Una saba flower pot ni ko. What's the price of this?
6,500 rupees.
6,500.
500.
Okay. Aina hojik paisari base 6,500 ki koi gi flower pot ni maroi na una sabani aduna ni maman sakra wangi se koi gi Thailand made product hai tare. How long will it take to make this one single flower pot?
Oh, about a month.
A month?
Yeah, by hand. We should cut the wood like that and made by machine, by hand, just a small tool. After that, we keep in the moisture room. We use the wood, the rest of the wood make like charcoal. Big piece like that take about 2 weeks for take the moisture out. After that, we come to polishing. After polishing, we come to paint the color. After paint the color, we carving.
Okay. Maroi na khoi gi wooden oiba flower pot sing si khoi gi tangkak thok na hai tare tongan ba tangkak sing da same sari hai na khoi gi solonas na hai biri khoi maman suwangi. Okay. What about the price of the lovely flowers?
100 rupee, one stick. One stick. Yeah, one like that.
So,
yes.
Khoi stick ama sida 100 ni hai.
Yeah, you can make it by hand. Adjustable. The leaf can do it also. Either way, you can open as you like.
Okay. Khoi same ning ma mawang da position sa same ba ya ba mawang da ni khoi gi movable oiba hai tare, flexible oiba.
Yeah.
Okay. Piece ama sida 100 ne ba.
Yeah.
And if I take a bunch, do you give discount?
Of course, why not? For you, okay.
Okay, for me. I get the discount pi doi ne ba. Well, I would also love to know about this. What about this single piece?
Yeah, single piece. We call sakura flower. We make by hand. We open like this, and we use the finger. Do it. Okay. Either way, we do halfway. One by one.
That's great.
Yeah, one by one. And then we move back a little bit. Make like natural. Yeah, make like natural. As it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the price of this?
This one we sell 50 rupee.
50 rupees?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 for 100.
Okay.
So, from minimum to maximum, what is the minimum price you have in your stall, and what will be the maximum price?
Minimum price, we sell before big pot like that with the flower, 7,500 rupee.
Okay.
7,000. Different maximum one. Minimum one,
100?
as you like. I can sell like this, small pot. How can sell?
So this?
It's smaller than this. It's about like 300 something.
Okay.
Yeah, smaller
And these
one.
are lovely.
This one I love it also. Really nice.
What's the price?
This one I sell 3 for 200 by hand.
3 for?
200 rupee
Okay, ahumda lupa chani. Okay.
by hand.
Okay. Well, what's the price of the flower pot, which is, I mean, with the minimum price? The flower pot with the minimum price.
Minimum price. We
Small
sell
one.
The small one like this.
Yeah. Okay.
What's this price?
This one we sell like with the flower, about 400.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much for being with us. We were from Tom TV, a satellite channel in Manipur. Have a good sale. Thank you. ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗ ꯑꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇꯤꯞ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯏꯖꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯍꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯏꯖꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯖꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯔꯨꯟꯕꯂꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯔꯅꯤꯆꯔꯁꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯣ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯗꯤ ꯎꯖꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯒꯦ Hi. So last year as well I interviewed you and this year as well. So welcome to Manipur. And how do you feel this time?
This time it's a great time because people now they understand our material and I appreciate that.
So last year your sale was quite good. I mean like the furnitures, the items were all empty. So what do you expect this time?
I expect same like the previous year. Everything we will finish.
Well, what difference do you feel last year and this year?
This year there is more exhibitor. The people start to come from different country and even different states. You can see there is no any empty stall this time.
Well, how many members are you coming from Egypt?
Three members. Yeah.
And I mean, the items you are bringing here, it's huge enough. And so I would love to know how you're bringing all these things.
I brought all these things from Egypt to Calcutta by ship.
Okay.
Then from Calcutta to here by road, by truck.
By
side truck.
Yeah, it's very difficult to
The
bring.
Sangai festival was actually started on 21st of November, so probably to be on the first day itself, did you manage before the 21st November?
No, I didn't manage before 21st because the truck takes long time on the way. I just start my work before 2 days only.
Before 2 days.
Yeah,
So on
21.
the second day. On the second day. So till now, as today is the fourth day of Sangai festival. So how is your sale going on?
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
Well, I would love to see the products and materials. And yes, yes, I would love to ask one another question is like the last year and this year. Have you planned some new products?
Yeah,
The one which was not in the last year.
The sofa set, it's
Okay.
the latest product which I brought. You can see this one I didn't brought last year.
Okay. The one with the golden frames. Okay. Sarad akoigi stall owners na haibirisi mamangi chahida poraktaba handaki oina porakba anauba item haragadi sida lariba akoigi sofa set se golden frame hai tare golden oibase. What is the material made up of?
This made of wood and gold plating, and this very expensive clothes.
Okay. Manung section jage I would love to go inside. Akoigi viewers asu would see. Okay. Yes. Please continue.
Yeah, this it's mahogany wood and all this gold plating, 24 karat.
Maruina akoigi sariba akoigi item si product si stall owners na haibirisi akoigi wooden oiba akoigi una sabani mathakta akoigi golden color na akoigi plating piba hai tare akoigi paibadas yam heavy oil. And what is this? I mean like the fabrics.
Fabrics. It's all these fabrics, handmade fabrics, and all this design made by hand only. You can see this picture. It's made by hand.
Maruina embroidery ki type ta I feel it iche Arunbala akoigi yengbiu paibada akoigi it's like embroidery maina oi ko. Aduga yes, the most what to say information the public would love to know is the price ni na traicha. Aduna can I know how much for this price?
The price is it's not expensive as it's a very precious thing. It's 3 lakhs.
The whole set.
The whole set.
Okay, whole set 3 lakhs ne karmain da wi pambi bro. Yam pom se da momon se. Manung da su yam attractive oi batai tai su lai ri ko. Mayam da dum utpagi khudong cha badu lagzage. And yes, as all the items most of the items are like furniture. So and in Manipur it's almost the wedding season. The wedding season knocks at the door. So probably yes, it's really good. So I would love to know is like have the public booked already?
Yeah.
Like you said
From the last year I have so many clients and they start booking from 11 months back.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
great. So
Already
from the
most
last
of
year?
this booked. Yeah.
Akoigi soloner na haibirisi akoigi Egypt ki source da phangiba furniture sing se yamna attractive oiba yam pamba se akoigi top unique oiba work ni na maroina wedding season da nupi oibi singi ti koi cha pamba so oibani na akoi haibirisi akoi 11 months back ta akoigi tha 13 23 mamang da samna ga mamang gi sahi da gi hauna order se loksale na haiba. It's really great. Ado kari laige haibadu so adum changsilaga yengminarasi sarad viewers asu dum utsi yam phazai koigi yame attractive oi akoigi metal work akoigi hand work singsi top pi Egypt kidi itself akoigi mayamna khangna birabaduni. Yes, this is really amazing. This is actually a dining set, is it?
Dining set.
Okay, tell us more about this.
The wood is the same quality like the sofa set. It's mahogany wood and this laminated. And the chairs, same wood, and all this metal is brass metal, pure brass. And this table it's foldable.
And the price?
1,50,000.
1,50,000 gi koigi set sida koigi 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, chair manga aduga loina na koi table siga pulap akoigi yam phasai ko aduga maroina I think I have to book even for me as well. Well akoigi aigi matang da su ko. Well in my wedding as well I have to book this but not now as of now. Aduga topa yengsi.
Even this
Yes.
time I brought,
Well, what's so special about this the wood? You said
the wood. I tell you, Egypt is
What's the name of the wood? You say
mahogany.
mahogany. Yes. What's so speciality about it?
I tell you, the Egyptian mahogany, it's very famous all over the world. You don't find these insects inside the wood. That means this furniture will stay a long time, at least 20 years in your home.
So the mahogany wood, is it available in Egypt?
It's available in Egypt.
In a wide range?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's great.
And this time I brought Sangai.
Wow, Sangai, that's great. so who did the work?
Sorry?
Who did the work?
Yeah, it's only in my factory. This copper, it's weight more than 30 kg. I brought only for Sangai festival. I will not take it for other place.
So koigi lariba Sangai gi koigi lariba statue asi Sangai festival gi oin akhanna Egypt gi sarga pore haina haibiri atopa sol or atopa exhibition da puro haina haibiri. It's really lovely. Saran mayam do say Sangai se am phasai kom. Okay. This is not for sale. Is this for sale?
For sale.
Okay, so what's the price?
This one 30,000. Yes. This copper.
Copper na saba koigi Sangai hai tare amount na 30,000. It's really lovely. Egypt gi sarga pu birai ni. It's really wonderful. Yam phasai yeng bata pen bagi nai de. Manung da yam phasa basu lai ri hai koigi golden plate oi ba koigi isla lai se ko tongan bas lai se.
The last for this year, the leather products.
Well, what is this?
This 4,000.
Just a seat?
It's just a seat. It's made of wood and brass and carpet.
Koigi icham chamba koi mora gum ba hai tare.
It's Arabian design.
And the price?
4,000.
4,000. In pair or just single piece? Single piece. Okay, single piece of 4,000. And yes, the flower pots, of course. I would love to go there. Koigi yam phasa ba koigi flower pot su uzari. Sangsin sage. Sida lai ba se koigi tongan ba flower pots ni koi achau ba lai masa lai. Yes, I would love to know about this as well. Yes, of course, about the flower pot.
Flower pot, there is so many designs and so many varieties, starting from 1,000 up to 6,000.
From 1,000?
It's made of porcelain.
What about this?
Porcelain.
The price of this?
This is 6,000.
Okay. Sida lai riba koigi table sida demonstrate tawraga thambiriba flower pot si amount si 6,000 ni. Pai ba yam phasai. Ai di pame. And what about the price? 1,000. Okay. Koigi lai riba macha sina 1,000 ni, aduga chauba sina 6,000. What are the other specials you have? You have leather jackets as well. The price?
4,500. It's made of camel leather.
Okay, camel leather dagi semba koigi jackets ai tare. Please demonstrate one of them. Koigi maroi na nupagi oi doi ba male jacket se koigi lising mari makhai dagi horaga dum koigi range se dum mathak phau bai. So is this the original leather? Original leather.
Arabian cushion. It's an Arabian cushion. It's made of camel leather as well. You will find any marriage in Egypt, the people should to put 4 pieces at least in the home.
Compulsory.
Yeah.
So it's mandatory.
Yeah.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯖꯤꯞꯀꯤ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯁꯟ ꯁꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤ. Well, these plates, these tables are really lovely.
It's a set of 3 pieces,
Okay.
like this. It's made of wood and seashells.
Wood and?
Seashells, madrabel.
Okay.
These seashells in Hindi junuk.
So you are selling these 3 sets?
3 pieces as a set.
1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Okay, so what's the price?
It's 15,000.
15,000. Can we also buy a single piece as well, or is it like set each?
Yeah. It's
Then what will be the price of the minimum one?
the price will be the minimum one 4,000, as in 6,000. This 8,000.
Okay, 4,000, 6,000, 8,000. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯧꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ-ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯏ. ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ leather shoes ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ, leather bags, ꯑꯗꯒꯤ leather belts, even belts ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ decorative ꯑꯣꯏꯕ items ꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ. We have wall hangings, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Egyptꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ Arunbalaꯅꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯠꯁꯤ. So this is actually to be hanged on the wall, and you are actually demonstrating it with a theme. It's about Egypt.
Yeah, it's papyrus. It's the most famous thing in Egypt. The ancient Egyptian used these leaves, kind of leaves. The ancient Egyptian used it to write all the history, Egyptian history, written in this paper only.
They are lovely. Mayam ama yauri tongan ba. Koigi picture si amu utsi. We have this, and this is really lovely. Yeah, so many. What does it actually demonstrate?
This one, Abu Simbel Temple. It's a famous temple in Egypt, in Luxor. Yes, it's a big temple. It's the biggest temple in Egypt.
What is this actually? The work, is it done by a painter? Because I also see some threads.
Yeah, it's all this hand painting. Hand painting, yeah.
Interesting. Okay, the decorative items are really lovely. What's so special about this?
Most of this item made by brass and copper, silver plated, gold plated, and the prices is different. Not all of them same price. The starting price 300 up to 5,000, 6,000.
Okay, pick any item which is of about 500. Okay, what is this actually?
This King Tutankhamun. He was a king in Egypt before 5,000 years ago, and he is the most popular king in Egypt. This statue made of copper, and the selling price is 400.
Festival ga mari leina na family ba for stall sing dege khoi stall amtang gi mapu matang lokho charaga wari sana jage koi na jiksang dori ba stall je Siroi hotel ge khoi owner gam tawari sana jage son ming le phom am thabi
ai gi ming chanchal barjabasi mayum kwa kai tel de wala kai de gi ne
odo na mamang sahi da tawi ba sangai festival ga handa ka kari khena ba lei bi
mamang chahi da tawgi ba ga di khena ba di am leire mamang gi chahi da di asigi hall ji mathak ta tai aduga sem saba jisu akhoi gi numit nini bogdi adum sem saba loidana stall sem ba loidana adum numit nini bogdi ngarang bogda adum khara semba loidadana adumai numi humni bawdi adum hawgare
mi humni hama lem nam hogre heba ado nam mamang se hina nungai bra handak se hina nungai bra pen pen da kai mo phongdong ningba kai gi lebi
hana piramba facility je handakti ipp dabdam na tawe deposit to hana di amu akhoi gi commercial kano akhoi gi standard adagi premium mana khaidoga paisa ju mana lande handakti puri store jingje loima paisa ju sa mana na 12000 loima lore aduga akhoi gi ngasagi pi ga daba pot sei hana mamang da pi ba jingjo handakti amma bo pi tre hai tare aduna ufun je sidai sida ju khoi kitchen jiga phambam jiga samna ragadi khoi gi sida ufun hauriba kholiba mayam chatpagi ufun hauriba mayam je si amta awaba lairoi khalle aduga khoi gi hayeng si mi sinjibagi phari neba mi chila agadi kitchen na somda laire chabam jina somda laibe je sidai sida mi mayam hayeng ki inara kandadi asomda pi sanna bada hayeng awaba oi doriba aduna masima khara nungai jade haita
Okay. Akoi Arunbala salam daigi matam su yok silakle numidang wairam yok silapaka maroi na akoi gi crowd se aduki mate yam khalakle and yes music su kanna hogalakle aduna ngasigi oina di day 4 Sangai Festival 2018 gi oina Tom TV na akhana na sandok seba thoram amagi sarukam oina ngasigi matang twice the tension jage mathang da muk another day da amuk mayam da khudol tam jage till then from Dina and
Arunbala dagi
bye bye
bye
Kita